Everybody, today we're going to do a short introduction on how to perform synthetic division. We have two examples in front of us here that we're going to work on. First one, x cubed minus 2x squared minus 22x plus 40 divided by x minus 4. First thing we want to do, we're going to take our denominator, x minus 4. We're going to set it equal to 0. If we add 4 to both sides, we'll see that our x equals positive 4. And that is the number that we are going to use to divide our polynomial. So I would write the positive 4 on the left-hand side here. Then I'll make a line for division. I'm going to take this particular polynomial and I'm going to write it in numerical form. So we're going to have 1x cubed minus 2x squared minus 22x plus 40. So this is what we're going to divide. Now the steps we're going to take in order to divide, we're going to take the first number, whatever it happens to be. In this particular case, happens to be the 1. We're going to bring the 1 down. And that's the first number we're going to use. We're going to divide using multiplication properties. 4 times 1 is 4. We'll put the 4 right here. We'll add these two, negative 2. Positive 4 gives me a positive 2. 4 times 2 is 8. I'll place an 8 here. Negative 22 plus 8 gives me a negative 14. Now, negative 14 times positive 4 will give me a negative 56. And if I add these two together, I will get a negative 16 here as a remainder. So our answer to this particular polynomial equation is going to be x squared plus 2x minus 14 with a remainder of negative 16, and this is how we would write it. We would write it as x squared plus 2x minus 14, and then with our remainder, we would write it this way. The negative 16, that's going to be a fraction. The denominator of our fraction is going to be the denominator here, x minus 4. So this is the answer to x cubed divided minus 2x squared minus 22x plus 40 divided by x plus 4. Okay, now let's move on to our second problem. In our second problem here, we have x squared minus 4x minus 12 divided by x plus 3. So again, we're going to take our denominator, which happens to be x plus 3. We're going to set it equal to 0. And if we subtract 3, both sides of the equation, we'll see that x equals negative 3. So negative 3 are what we're going to use to divide the polynomial by. So we'll place the negative 3 on the left here. Bring our division line down. We're going to write this polynomial in numbers. 1x squared minus 4x minus 12. Okay, and then bring our division line over here as so. Now, whatever our first number here is, in case here it happens to be 1, that's the number we bring down, 1. So now, negative 3 times 1 is negative 3. We add these two together, negative 4 minus 3 gives me a negative 7. Now, negative 3 times negative 7 gives me a positive 21. Negative 12 plus 21 is 9. So with this particular problem, I have a remainder of 9. So our answer is going to be x minus 7 with a positive 9 remainder, and this is how we would write it. X minus 7 And then we have a positive 9 for a remainder. So we'll put the 9 here. And the denominator is going to be our denominator from our problem. X plus 3. Plus 3. So that is the answer to this problem. So this is how you would perform synthetic division. Okay? Now, try the other examples which you have on your worksheet. All right? Talk with you later.